God loves all of us, right? And He
The mic should be working. My name is Lucas. His name is Noah. My favorite part about VBS Day 1 in the Rainforest Falls was the food, how delicious it was, and I just had really fun in all of the classes, especially the game room.
Of course you like the food. I really enjoyed my VBS Day 1, especially because I'm meeting a bunch of new people, and just really the people here is just like brought me joy, and that's how my VBS Day 1 was.
My name's Maria, and my name's Ari, and my expectation is to have lots of fun and learn more about God. My expectation is to have fun with my friends and learn more about God.
Yeah.